Hello students, a very good morning to you. Let's continue our chapter 13 of class 11, that is photosynthesis in higher plants. As you know that this chapter is so much interesting that it includes how plants synthesize their food. So in our last class we have studied about how different type of pigments or chlorophyll pigments help in the absorption of light. Then we know what is the wavelength of light, how many pigments of chlorophyll are present. Today we will study about photosystems. Photo means light and system means system which helps in the absorption of light. Clear students? So photosystem means this is a group of organelles which present, we can explain it as group of organelles or group of organs in the leaf, group of organs in the leaf who acts as the center for absorption of light. Okay, so photosystem means here is the group of organs, means not only a one system absorbs the sunlight but also a group of organs present in the leaf, means in the chlorophyll, who acts as the center for absorption of light. So this absorption of light is occurs through two phases. One phase is called as photochemical and another is called as photosynthetic phase. It means the photosystem has two pigments or two systems which works for absorption of light and doing various functions during photosynthesis. So one phase is called as photochemical phase and another is called as photosynthetic phase. Or we can say photochemical phase is also called as light reaction. Photochemical phase is also called as light reaction, whereas photosynthetic phase is called as dark reaction. Okay students, so what is photochemical and what is photosynthetic phase? In photochemical phase there are various activities are occur, means light absorption, water splitting, oxygen release, formation of high energy chemical intermediates like ATP and NADPH. So in the photosystems, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? पहली बात तो फोटोसिस्टम्स ये ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स होते हैं लीफ के अंदर, जिनका काम होता है लाइट को ऑब्जर्व करना और उस लाइट को ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद फोटोसिंथेसिस करना. फिर से बोल रहा है कि ये जो फोटोसिस्टम्स है इनको दो टाइप में डिवाइड किया गया है. एक है फोटोकेमिकल फेज, दूसरा है फोटोसिंथेटिक फेज. फोटोकेमिकल फेज में लाइट रिएक्शन इंक्लूड किया जाता है और फोटोसिंथेटिक फेज में डार्क रिएक्शन इंक्लूड किया जाता है. फोटोकेमिकल फेज इन प्रोसेस को लेके और इन फंक्शंस को लेके करता है, जैसे कि आपका लाइट एब्जॉर्प्शन हो गया, वाटर स्प्लिटिंग, ऑक्सीजन रिलीज, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाई एनर्जी केमिकल इंटरमीडिएट्स like ATP and NADPH. First light absorption. As I have told you, there are two light harvesting complexes. Clear? Two light harvesting complexes. One is called as PS1, means photosystem 1, and another is called as PS2. Here it means not that this is the first phase or this is the second phase. It means they are named in their discoveries. Means PS1 is discovered first, that's why this is called as photosystem 1, and PS2 is discovered later, that's why it is called as photosystem 2. So during photochemical phase, light absorption by chlorophyll, and after absorption of light the water gets splits into hydrogen and oxygen. I have told you water gets split into hydrogen and oxygen, and during its splitting oxygen is released, so oxygen included in photochemical phase means light reaction. Then your high energy chemical intermediates are formed like your ATP and NADPH. As I have told you, in light reaction ATP and NADPH are formed, which is used by the plant for doing various activities. So here the energy input is or energy produced is your ATP and NADPH, you can see. Clear students? Again I have told you that the photosystems or the pigments organized in the thylakoid membrane. The pigments organized in the thylakoid membrane. The pigments means those pigments who absorb light. Pigments are arranged or organized in thylakoid membrane. This is different. You should not write this point. So in thylakoid membrane, as I have told you that they are attached, so they are called as LHC. LHC. LHC means light harvesting complex. Clear students? Again I am telling you that the discrete organs during photosynthesis is light harvesting complex, which is attached or organized on the thylakoid membrane, and their main function is to trap light. So they are called as light harvesting complex. Means they are the regions where the sunlight falls and the incident light is trapped by these complexes. So they are called as light harvesting complex, and the light harvesting complex is of two types. One is PS1 and another is PS2. You can see one is PS1 and another is PS2. Here PS means photosystem. PS refers to photosystem. So you can say photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Clear students? Again, the pigments are organized in the thylakoid membrane, whose function is to trap light or to observe light. जिसका काम होता है लाइट को ऑब्जर्व करना, और ये जो ऑब्जर्व करता है इसके अंदर दो फोटोसिस्टम होते हैं जिसको हम इन शॉर्ट PS1 एंड PS2 बोलते हैं, और ये PS1 और PS2 का काम होता है अलग अलग वेवलेंथ की लाइट को ट्रैप करना। क्लियर है? तो PS1 ट्रैप करता है 700 नैनोमीटर लाइट को और PS2 करता है 680 नैनोमीटर लाइट को। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि और वेवलेंथ की लाइट को ट्रैप नहीं करते। मैंने आपको पिछले क्लास में बताया था कि जो सन की लाइट होती है, जो इंसिडेंट होता है लीफ के ऊपर, उन सब की वेवलेंथ अलग होती है और अलग अलग इंटेंसिटी के होते हैं। तो उस इंटेंसिटी में से जो 700 नैनोमीटर रेंज तक का लाइट होता है उसको फोटोसिस्टम 1 ऑब्जर्व करता है और 680 नैनोमीटर को फोटोसिस्टम 2 ऑब्जर्व करता है। इसका मतलब है फोटोसिंथेसिस मैक्सिमम होता है इन दोनों में, मतलब 680 नैनोमीटर एंड 700 नैनोमीटर। इट मीन्स photosystem acts maximum at 700 nanometer, whereas photosystem 2 acts maximum in the 680 nanometer. Clear students? So for the absorption there are some specified or specialized chlorophyll pigments are present. Means here chlorophyll A, as you know that the higher plants contain the chlorophyll pigment A. So chlorophyll pigment A is covered by some protein, and their main function is to trap light and they acts as the reaction center. Clear students? They acts as reaction center. Means here the reaction occurs, means during the absorption of light. After absorption, as there are many activities takes place, means light absorption के बाद क्या होता है आपका वाटर स्प्लिटिंग होता है, ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होता है, उसके बाद एटीपी एनएडीपीएस फॉर्मेशन होता है, तो वो सब कुछ होता है इस रिएक्शन सेंटर के अंदर। तो देखते हैं ये रिएक्शन सेंटर कैसा होता है। रिएक्शन सेंटर कैसा होता है, इसमें बहुत सारी, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ऐसे पिगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होता है, बहुत सारे ऐसे पिगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होता है। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन से दे आर as pigment molecules. They are pigment molecules, means these molecules trap light. Trap light. Which light? Incident light. One is reflected light and another is incident light. So incident light is get trapped by these pigment molecules, and again here is the photons are released, and here the reaction center is formed. Here the reaction center, here the photons are released, and here is the reaction center, means where the reaction occurs. This is the reaction center, here is the photon release, and this is called as primary acceptor. Primary acceptor means who primarily accepts the light molecules. Clear students? The chlorophyll A forms the reaction center. It means here is chlorophyll A present. Chlorophyll A. Here chlorophyll A presents, which makes reaction center, and light incident here. After incident, the photons are released, and here the primary acceptor accepts the light, and the photosynthesis process will occur. Means which process? Splitting of water, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, and releasing of oxygen. All this occurs here. So as I have told you that these photosystems means where the reaction occurs is of two types. One is PS1 and another is PS2. So the PS1 acts for trapping the light range of 700 nanometer, while PS2 observe maximum at 680. This you have to remember this 700 nanometer and 680 nanometer. It is for PS1 and it is for PS2. Again I want to tell you that different ranges of light are coming towards the earth, and out of different ranges of light the maximum absorption by the reaction center, means by chlorophyll, is PS1, means it can absorb till 700 nanometer range of light. That's why blue and red color light is maximum trapped by the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is green color pigment and it will not absorb green color, so it radiates green color. That's why the leaves looks like green. Here another question can be formed, why the leaves look green? Because of reflection of the green light by the chlorophyll pigments. So which color light is trapped? The light trapped is either blue or red, as they have a long wavelength. So here chlorophyll A, which makes the reaction center, इसका मतलब होता है जो chlorophyll center, chlorophyll A है, ये रिएक्शन सेंटर का काम करता है। मतलब यहीं पे ही जो लाइट ट्रैप होता है पिगमेंट मॉलिक्यूल के थ्रू, ये पिगमेंट मॉलिक्यूल लाइट को ट्रांसफर करते हैं कहाँ? क्लोरोफिल ए के पास। और यहाँ पे जैसे ही क्लोरोफिल ए उस लाइट को लेता है, यहाँ पे अलग अलग प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाता है। कौन सी प्रोसेस शुरू होता है? वाटर का स्प्लिटिंग होता है, मतलब वाटर टूटता है किस किस में? हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन में, जिसकी वजह से ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हो जाता है। आज यू नो ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस ऑक्सीजन इज रिलीज्ड, सो हियर ऑक्सीजन इज रिलीज्ड। देन also I have told you light reaction, about light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction जैसे कि आपको पता है photochemical phase and photosynthetic, or we can say as biosynthetic phase. Clear students? So during this photochemical and biosynthetic phase, the lights are used separately. Now let's study about, this is your photosystem. Now the next topic is mechanism of photosynthesis. What is the mechanism of photosynthesis? So let's see the mechanism of what is the mechanism of photosynthesis, means how photosynthesis occur, what is the rule behind this. Clear student? So it is occur in two steps. I gave you a little information about this. So this is occur in two steps. First one is your light reaction, or you can say this as biosynthetic phase. Clear students? Sorry, or we can say as photochemical phase. Light reaction is called as photochemical phase, and another is your dark reaction. Dark reaction. I am explaining you about the mechanism of photosynthesis, and photosynthesis occurs in two steps. One is light reaction and another is dark reaction. Light reaction is also called as photochemical phase, whereas dark reaction is called as biosynthetic phase. Clear students? This is called as biosynthetic. I already tell you about the photochemical phase, what happened here. You can write simply, this is directly depend on light. This reaction means light reaction is directly depend on light, or this is a direct process to use light. Direct process to use light. In the above topic I have told you, photochemical phase includes water splitting, light absorption, intermediate energy formation, high chemical intermediate energy formation, ATP and NADPH formation. So you can write light reaction is photochemical phase, whereas dark reaction is biosynthetic phase. In light reaction, directly light is used, or direct process to use light, but in dark reaction or in biosynthetic phase, only the products of light reaction is used. Light reaction is used. As I have told you, dark reaction means not that it takes place in dark, but it will not uses light directly, but it depends on the products of light. Clear students? So we can say electron transport or ATP synthesis and photolysis are two major events. Means splitting of light and ATP synthesis are two major events of light reaction. You can say two major events. One is photolysis. Photo means light, lysis means splitting, where anything that splits in the presence of light, that is called as photolysis. So here water, breakdown of water. Water splits into hydrogen and oxygen. And another is synthesis of ATP. Means here ATP is synthesized. So we can say that light reaction, the main process takes place in light reaction is the splitting of water and synthesis of ATP. Clear? But during dark reaction, which is called is your biosynthetic phase, as it depends on the products of light reaction, means ATP and NADPH, so it is not directly depend on light. Clear? It is not directly depend on light. It is not directly depend on light, but it needs the products, or it uses the products of light reaction, means the ATP and NADPH. बेटा जो लाइट रिएक्शन होता है, लाइट रिएक्शन को केमिकल फेज बोलते हैं, फोटोकेमिकल फेज, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लाइट की प्रेजेंस में केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं. केमिकल रिएक्शन कैसे बोलेंगे हम? क्योंकि वाटर का ब्रेकडाउन हो रहा है. जब वाटर का ब्रेकडाउन हो रहा है, वाटर खुद अपने आप में एक केमिकल है और इसमें से दो केमिकल निकल रहे हैं, एक हाइड्रोजन और एक ऑक्सीजन. दूसरी चीज क्या हो रही है? एटीपी और एनएडीपीएच फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, मीन्स एनर्जी फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट एंड निकोटानामाइड डाइअमाइड फॉस्फेट हाइड्रोक्सिलेज. देन डार्क रिएक्शन को डार्क रिएक्शन इसलिए नहीं बोलते हैं कि वो अंधेरे में होता है, इसलिए बोलते हैं कि ये लाइट को डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं करता है, पर इसको लाइट रिएक्शन के प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड करना होता है, जैसे कि एटीपी और एनएडीपीएच. ठीक है, एटीपी और एनएडीपीएस को यूज करके ये अपना प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करता है, मतलब फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करता है। हर प्लांट में ये दो टाइप के रिएक्शन हमें दिखते हैं, क्योंकि जैसे कि आपको पता है कैसे दिखते हैं, जितने भी पत्ते आप देख रहे हो प्लांट के अंदर, सारे लीव्स लाइट को ट्रैप नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ अंदर की तरफ होते हैं, कुछ ऊपर की तरफ होते हैं। जो ऊपर की तरफ होते हैं उनको लाइट मिल जाता है, जो अंदर की तरफ होते हैं उनको लाइट नहीं मिलता है, तो वो कैसे फोटोसिंथेसिस करेंगे, कैसे सर्वाइव करेंगे। तो उस केस में क्या होता है, जिसको लाइट मिला वो लाइट रिएक्शन प्रोसेस के थ्रू एटीपी एनएडीपीएस फॉर्म किया, और जिसको नहीं मिला वो क्या करेगा, वो डार्क रिएक्शन करेगा, मतलब अंधेरे में नहीं करेगा, वो लाइट रिएक्शन के प्रोडक्ट को यूज करेगा। क्लियर है? सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर फोटो सिस्टम्स and the mechanism of photosynthesis. In the next class we will study our next topic, that is photolysis of water. Clear?